Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Welcome to my launch weekend reviews for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro accessories. So here we've got the Next Case by LifeProof for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. I've got 2 out of the 3 available colors to show you. I've got the purple and the black. There's also a blue, but I don't have that one here. And I'm going to be checking out these cases on my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. So the next case is DropProof, DustProof, and SnowProof, but it is not a waterproof case. It is going to give you drop protection for up to a 2-meter drop though, so that is really impressive, and it's made with 55% recycled plastic, and LifeProof allows you to give back with your purchase. They will donate $1 on your behalf to a water-related charity of your choice. So lots to love here. Let's check out these cases on my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro. Looking at the construction of this case, we have a hard clear back on here. This seems like a hard polycarbonate material, and then the sides appear to be a combination of TPU and polycarbonate. There's not a lot of give to this case, but there doesn't need to be because this is a 2-piece case, so you need to disassemble it and then assemble it again around your phones. You don't need those sides that have extra give to them because of the 2-piece case construction. In order to take the case apart, you need to put a coin or similar item in these slots in the bottom and twist. LifeProof used to include a little plastic key in their packaging, but they don't anymore. But honestly, a coin works just the same. And then you can pull it apart with your hands. Once you've taken the case apart, look here at the bottom section and look at the mute switch rocker thing. You want to make sure that this is pointing upwards and that it is horizontal. And when you put your phone in here, you're going to put it in with the left side first, making sure that your mute switch is going in next to that rocker switch correctly. Before you put the top of the case on, make sure that your mute switch rocker is operating correctly. And then take the top section and simply click it in all the way around. Looking at the fit of the Next on the 12 Pro, we have absolutely rock solid sides on here, no give anywhere, really basically a perfect fit. Looking here at the amount of lip you have on here, you've got tons of lip. This is going to be very protective for your phone's screen. This is going to work with case compatible screen protectors, even ones that go pretty much almost to the edge. So I have a screen protector on here right now. This is one by TechMat. It is the TechMat One Touch screen protector. I just put it on a few hours ago. And as you can see, it really fits pretty perfectly here. Goes almost to the edge, but not quite. Overall, really nice fit here on my 12 Pro. Looking down here at our port openings, we have a protective mesh over the speaker and microphone areas. This is going to keep out dust and dirt and snow. It's not going to keep out water. This case is not a waterproof case. And we have a little door here protecting the lightning port. Look in there, you can see the lightning port openings. Still have plenty of space for many third-party lightning cables, although of course this case does support wireless charging, so you might find you're using that functionality less than you otherwise would. Looking at the sides of the case, we have some LifeProof branding here. This material on the sides is a rubbery material, but it's not one of those super grippy rubbers. It's kind of a lightly grippy rubber, so it gives you a secure enough grip on the phone case, but it's not so grippy that it's going to be really difficult to take in and out of pockets and handbags. Going up here to our buttons, these are remarkably stiff, almost defectively stiff. Makes me think that perhaps we have a production error here. And then looking here at our little mute switch wheel toggle, that all works perfectly. Absolutely no issues there. Looking at the view from the top, you can see we've got a really nice fit here with this One Touch screen protector by TechMat that I have on here. Covers nearly the entire phone. And then going over here to our side button again, side button is fine, nice and responsive. And we've got a little bit more LifeProof branding down here at the bottom. Looking at the back of the case, the crystal clear polycarbonate does a great job in showing off your iPhone. However, this type of material does have its issues, tends to scratch and show fingerprints relatively easily, so you have to be aware of that. It is, however, not likely to yellow over time, unlike a TPU case. There's also a small degree of rainbowing. When you hold the case just so, you can see just a little bit of color there, but it's not terribly obvious. And we have plenty of protection here for the protruding camera. There's no issue with wireless charging, that all works fine. And in fact, I've been able to use my MagSafe charger with a reasonable degree of success with this case. It sticks on okay. It doesn't stick as tightly as it does on a bare iPhone, or I think on a real MagSafe case, but as you can see, it's mostly staying on there, although if you try to pull it off, it comes off pretty easily. However, you do clearly have a certain amount of MagSafe functionality with this case. Removing this case from your phone is pretty straightforward. Just put a coin here in the slot and twist to separate the parts of the case, and then pull it off your phone. And you're all set. Putting my phone in the purple next case. Again, you want to make sure that the mute switch wheel is pointing upwards. And then put your phone in left side first. Press it into place. And then test out that mute switch. Make sure that it's working. And it is. So all is good, and you can put the top on. So again, we have an absolutely fantastic fit on here, no sagging anywhere. This is the advantage of having that two-piece case install. Makes it super secure. Looking at our port openings again, everything is the same here. Just a nice look here with the purple version. This color is called Napa, by the way, for some reason, no idea why. Unfortunately, the buttons here are still super tough to press. So I'm thinking maybe that this is just a production issue and that they're going to fix this, because I've never had such tough buttons on a LifeProof case. Hopefully they're going to fix that very soon. No issues whatsoever with our mute switch though. That is great. And then looking here at the view from the top, very pretty, very nice. And our side button is fine, no problems there. And LifeProof branding down at the bottom. Looking at the back, same exact view that we saw before, only we now have purple sides. Again, very beautiful, definitely puts your phone on display. You just have to be prepared for a certain amount of scratches and fingerprints with this type of a case material. Gotta love the fact that you get that 6.6 feet of drop protection. And I'm loving the fact that we have 55% recycled content in here. I think that that's great. And overall, this is just a really nice case for your iPhone 12 Pro. I really like LifeProof's environmental commitment and the fact that they are going to give $1 to your water charity of choice with your purchase. And overall, just a really great, really tough case for your iPhone. So definitely something to consider if you are looking for a protective clear case for your brand new iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Again, we've been looking at the LifeProof Next cases for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. These cases are available directly from LifeProof as well as from many other retailers, and they have an MSRP of $79.99. They come in a total of 3 colors. You have the lovely black and purple color shown here, as well as a blue color. Many thanks to the kind folks at LifeProof for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these products, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more case and screen protector reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer with the LifeProof Next case for iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.